Hello guys, for today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this. By the way, I have this amount of gold now. I have been grinding. Bruh. Let's see. Okay, let me see this real quick. Okay, so I think I know how to do. So you can do whatever you guys wanted. Okay, let me check it again. Sorry. Get get um get this one. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I need to erase this real quick. Lol. Okay, do like that. Then do like this together. There. Now make this both lines here. Where's it? Make it a wood one because it's more clear. Not like that one. It's gay. The wood one. Okay, the wood. So let's go. Let's continue. We're gonna put that there. Damn. So like that. Then make it up like that. So okay. Make it downwards again. Like that. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see it. You gonna need to do like one, then another two ones, then like just right over here. Okay, so we're gonna make this and this. You're basically gonna place a block. I mean a block. We're gonna place a chair. Where's the chair? Oh wait, I forgot to put the back one. The back one of this. Okay, so like that. Yeah, like that. Then we're gonna place a chair right over here. We're gonna remove this two. Then place one more right over here. There. Now, give me that. Now let's take. Oh, I forgot I have two of those. Oh my god, why am I writing it? Okay, it must be like that. See, can you see it? It must be like that, like over here. Okay. Now place a block right here. There. Then color it whatever you want. Especially this is supposed to be black. These ones are supposed to be black, okay? Those ones. Let me move it a little bit. Oh yeah, okay, there. Okay. So I can color the underneath, that's why. Color it whatever you want. I'm gonna paint it this light one. Okay. Like that. Yes, let's go. And let me erase this. Oh my god, why did I erase this? The middle. But for me, I likely wanted to put here, that one. It's okay if you don't put it. It's okay if you don't put it. Let's just erase this one. Okay, so ayun. Okay. Then let's see. Sira. Okay, I'm gonna select all. Okay. Make it this one to max. Oh my god. Make it to, I need this one. Then make this to 10. There you go. Then we're gonna go and use it now. It's kind of hard to use it. Skibidi, skibidi, skibidi. What the hell? Am I tweaking? Why am I dancing? And that's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for more videos. Peace!